This is how my website looks at the moment. Is that okay? So we're talking about modules now, right? We've talked about search module as one module. Now let's say you have, I have this footer here, which is already part of your template, right? Um, if I change the site name, obviously that site will automatically come here. The year, this will change. This is what now. But let's say I want to put something. Could be a link. Could be whatever you want to put. You want to fix it somewhere. Is that right? Now we understand that we have modules. Now if you click here, new. There is something called as custom. Yeah. If you go here, give it a name, whatever name you like. I'm just calling it as my footer, right? Is it a menu or is it just, it could be, what I'm trying to say is it could be anything. Does that make sense? It could be anything you're trying to create. You actually create, you write down whatever you want to write down here. Yeah? And if you obviously want to create a link, highlight and use a link button to create a link. Yeah? Is that okay? Whatever you've written down, save that. So save. Now I have this footer. Where do you want to publish it? What position do you want to put it, right? Okay, one more thing here. Sometimes we don't have, every time you go back, you want to see a position. It's a difficult thing going back to templates and looking at a position. What you could do is question mark. Whichever page you are at, go to the URL, put question mark and TP is equal to 1. It'll give you the position. Question mark TP is equal to 1. So that whatever page you are, it picks up the positions straight away. Does that make sense?
But this is only for Joomla.
Yes. Is that okay? That's a shortcut. That's a shortcut to keep looking at positions rather than going back to templates and previewing all the time. You don't have to do it. If you just add this to your URL, you will be able to see the positions. Is that okay? Now here, I want to put that module here. Let's say info top, or I want to put bottom 1. Can you see the position here? Bottom 1? Or let's say I want to put it at bottom 3. It's up to you where do you want to put it. Does that make sense? I just want to put it at one of the positions. So I go here, click on this, and I pick up the position from my template as here, bottom 3. Is that right? And I say save and close. Now this should, obviously I don't want to see that now position, so I just can get rid of that. Can you see that? Obviously, if you don't want the title to come, all you have to do is go back to your module again. There is an option saying show title. No, you don't want to show the title. You don't want to show the title of anything. Just that's your text. One in there. But I could place it anywhere, isn't it? On the left side, on the right hand side, I could place it anywhere. Yeah? Now that is how you can, if I had a plugin which I didn't want it on a page but I want it on the side, I will have to put it in a custom HTML and only then I can do it. Otherwise plugin always goes in the center of or the page itself, isn't it? But you want it on the somewhere else, All you can do is just put it in a custom HTML and then as a module you can place it wherever you like. But there's no other way to put that, um, to put a plugin on the sites. But plugins can be put on the site as well. But that's the only option. Yeah? Is that okay? Yeah? But if you look at modules, you will look at, there are so many modules which are already available. Now, if you were, just to look at them, if you were blogging, if you were creating a blog or it was a news website and there was a news which was the latest, right? All I have to do is create a, can you see this articles latest?
Yeah.
Articles most read. All I have to do is create a module and fix it wherever I want it on the page. If it was a blogging website or if it was a news website. So it's easy to make them. These are only used if you're gonna be, you have a blogging website, otherwise you won't need that. Is that fine? Yeah. And there is a module, who's online. It's only needed if you want to say, once people have logged in and you want to see all other people who have logged in, then you can use that module and place it wherever you like on your page to see who else are logged in. That's usually like on your Facebook, you get to know who's online. Something like that. So that's what is available as well. Yeah. I mean, these are the basic tags which are available. Is that fine? Do you want to create something like this and put it first before I go ahead, or should we just go ahead? Sorry? Let's create something and then I'll